Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. In this video, we are going to look at a new question type that was asked in MBA CET 2022. So you can expect these type of questions in this year's MBA CET as well. Okay, so this new question type is decision making. So actually 5-6 years ago, they used to ask questions on decision making. फिर वो गायब हो गया and then it made a comeback in 2023 again. तो उसके चक्कर में नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ये क्वेश्चन टाइप बहुत इजी होता है एज कंपेयर टू पजल्स. व्हाई एम आई कंपेयरिंग इट विद पजल्स? क्योंकि पजल्स में भी 5-6 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, बट पजल सॉल्व करने को 6 से 7 मिनट 8 मिनट कम से कम लगते हैं. इन दिस क्वेश्चन टाइप ऑल्सो 5 to 6 क्वेश्चंस कम इन अ ग्रुप एंड ये 5 से 6 क्वेश्चंस आप 3-4 मिनट में सॉल्व कर लो, क्योंकि ये इजी क्वेश्चन टाइप होता है. ठीक है, देयर नीड्स टू बी proper observation, proper sense you have to, common sense you have to apply, and you will be able to solve the question. Let us directly jump to the question type. So the candidate must have passed class 12 with at least 60% marks. अभी ये क्या conditions दे रखे हैं? The candidate must have passed, है ना, क्योंकि हमको डायरेक्शन पढ़ने की आदत नहीं है, हम तो सीधा क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेते हैं. ठीक है ना, तो रीड द डायरेक्शंस. कभी भी नया टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा तो डायरेक्शन पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Study the following information carefully and answer the question given below. Following are the conditions for selecting a candidate in an organization. To select a candidate in an organization, कुछ conditions दिए हुए हैं. वो conditions क्या है वो देखते हैं. So the conditions are the candidate must have passed 12th class 12 exam with 60% marks. So class 12 exams 60% marks, तो 60% से ज्यादा रहने चाहिए. एटलीस्ट 60% मार्क्स मीन्स ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 60% भी चलेगा, है ना. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. वी हैव टू कीप अ ट्रैक और अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड ओवर हियर, है ना. मोर देन 60% मार्क्स इज डिफरेंट एंड एटलीस्ट 60% मार्क्स इज डिफरेंट. सेकंड कंडीशन दैट he must have graduation degree in any discipline. Graduation in any discipline, they are saying. Okay, with at least 55% marks. So this is greater than equal to 55% marks. Okay, be not less than 21 years and not more than 30 years of age as on 1st of July 2016. Okay, so his age must lie in this range as on 1/7/2016. Okay, possesses a certificate slash diploma slash degree in computer science. So he must have at least a certificate or a diploma or a degree in computer science. Okay. Okay, in the case of candidates who fulfill all conditions except at 2, मतलब सारे conditions satisfy कर रहा है, 1, 3 and 4 satisfy कर रहा है, but second condition is not satisfied, then but he is a postgraduate, then the case may be referred to executive director. Then we can refer the case to executive director. So this thing can be done. Okay. So for that, but then you need to understand that he fulfills all other conditions except condition 2. So 1, 3 and 4 is satisfied, 2 is not satisfied, and that is why we are looking at condition A. Then condition B is if the candidate fulfills all conditions except condition 4, means 1, 2, 3 satisfied hai, but he does not have certificate or diploma or degree in computer science. So this condition is not satisfied. But if he has studied computer science as one of the subject in his graduation, okay, one of the subject in his graduation, then the case may be referred to VP. Okay, this thing can be done. Okay, all the cases are given to you as on 1/11/2016. तो मतलब 1st of November को ये cases दे रखे हैं अपने को 2016 के. If the case is to be referred, अभी ये क्या है, options दे रखे हैं मुझे. If the case is to be referred to executive head, if the case is to be referred to vice president, if the candidate is to be selected, if the information is inadequate, and if the candidate is not to be selected. Okay, अगर कोई बंदा है जिसने फर्स्ट कंडीशन ही सेटिस्फाई नहीं किया है, then that candidate will not be selected. No, as simple as that. But if there is a candidate who has not who has cleared all the other conditions except condition 2, but has cleared condition A, then we'll refer him to executive director. If there is a candidate who has satisfied all these 4 conditions, then we'll select him, not directly. Okay, so this is what we need to do in such type of questions. Let us now move to the questions. One important thing here, you have to understand that don't assume anything. Okay, assumptions are going to be very dangerous in this case. Only the data which is provided, we have to consider that. Okay. So first question. So this is the first question. Lakshay is a commerce graduate with 57% marks. So second condition satisfied. He secured 73% marks in class 12 exam. So first condition satisfied. He has studied computer science as one of the subjects in class 12. So computer science, he has studied it as one of the subjects in class 12. His date of birth is 1990. 1990 and then till 2016, he will be 26 years old. 26 years old. So third condition is also satisfied. Okay. Fourth condition is not satisfied. Okay. Fourth condition is not satisfied. है ना? What is the exceptional condition for fourth? It is condition B, which says computer science as a subject in graduation. He has studied computer science as a subject in 12th. So B condition is also not satisfied. Now, fourth condition and its exception condition is not satisfied. We'll have to reject this candidate. Okay, we'll have to reject this candidate even though he satisfies 1, 2, and 3, but he is not satisfying the fourth condition and also its exception condition. So we'll have to reject this candidate, and that is why you will write E option as the answer over here. Okay, you'll write E option as the answer over here. Okay, now let us try to solve second question. Okay, Ruchi has passed BA degree examination in second class with 56% marks, but then in graduation we want only 55% marks. So second condition is satisfied. In class 12, she has got 68% marks. Condition 1 is satisfied. She has completed a diploma in computer science. So fourth condition satisfied, completed a diploma in computer science. She will be 35 years of age in November 2021. Third condition not satisfied. So this condition is not satisfied. We'll reject this candidate. Again, option E will be the answer. Okay. It is this easy. Third question. As you can see, the way to solve the question is very easy. And don't assume anything. Just focus on the information provided. Rahul has passed his class 12 examination with 67% marks. So 12th, 67, first condition satisfied. After which he did a 6-month certification course in computer science. So fourth condition is satisfied, that he has a certificate in computer science. He completed his graduation with 62% marks. So second condition is satisfied, that he has completed his graduation. And his date of birth is 1998. So till 2016, he'll be what? 28 years old. 28 years old is falling in this range. So third condition is also satisfied. If this candidate satisfies all the condition, then he should be selected. Na? The candidate should be selected and C option will be your answer. Okay, this is how you need to tackle these type of questions. Okay, moving forward. Study the following information carefully and answer the question given below. Let us try to understand. Following are the conditions for admitting students for a program in management. Okay, तो MBA में admission की बात चल रही है, ये तो normal है ना? तो what are the conditions? Not be less than 24 years as on 2016. Okay, मतलब first condition is age should be greater than 24 or equal to 24 भी चलेगा, because not be less than 24. Okay, as on 1/12/2016. Okay, 1st December 2016. Second condition is be a postgraduate in any discipline with at least 55% marks. So postgraduate in any discipline with at least 55% marks. So 55% greater than or equal to. Third, have passed the written test with 60% marks. Okay, written test with at least 60% marks. So 60% or above will work. And then fourth condition is have work experience of at least 6 months after completing post-graduation. Okay, work experience of 6 months after PG, after post-graduation. Okay. In the case of an applicant who fulfills all other conditions except condition 2. Okay, so condition 2 satisfy nahi karti hai, but then A, but have completed MTech degree. Okay, but he has completed MTech, then his case must be referred to the director. Okay, very good. Okay. Next, in the case of applicant who fulfills all other conditions except 3, condition 3 means he has not got written test above 60% marks, he has not got that, but has work experience of more than 2 years. But B condition is that he has work experience of more than 2 years. Okay. Then his case must be referred to registrar. Okay. Now you have the option. If the case is to be referred to registrar, if the case is to be referred to director, if the applicant is to be admitted, information inadequate, applicant is not admitted. Simple 3 questions will do. First question. Megha has secured 72% marks in post-graduation. So second condition satisfied, and has been working for 5 years after post-graduation. So 5 years after post-graduation. So fourth condition is satisfied. Okay. And then she was born as on 11 to 1988. So 1988. So she must be how much? 12 plus 16, 28 years old, 28 years old in 2016. So first condition is satisfied. No mention about written test. And no mention about written test. Don't assume anything. Okay, no mention about written test. So don't assume anything. Even though written test, anything is not mentioned, and B condition is satisfied. Yeah, work experience is greater than 2 years. But then we'll look at the B condition only if we surely know that the third condition is not satisfied. Only then we'll look at the B condition. Okay. So if there is no information about third condition, we'll directly reject this candidate, because no, we'll directly say that the data is inadequate, because we need some information about the written test as well. Okay. Hannah, we cannot directly decide that this candidate should be declined or should not be admitted. Why? For a candidate to be declined or should not be admitted, he should violate the condition. Okay. Here, Megha is not violating the condition. She is some information about her written test is not provided, and that is why we are saying the data is inadequate. Okay, we are not jumping onto the conclusions. Second, Anil has been working for 3 years after completing MTech degree. Okay. MTech degree ke baad he has been working after for 3 years. So work experience of more than 6 months after 3 years. So this condition is satisfied. He was born in 1990 to 1990, 2016. So 26 years old. So definitely first condition is satisfied. Okay, he has done MTech, he has done PG, but with how many marks we don't know. He has 60% marks in written test. So third condition is satisfied, and 45% marks in post-graduation. So he has done post-graduation. Second condition, he has done post-graduation, but with only 45% marks. So second condition is not satisfied. Okay, but if second condition is not satisfied, what we see condition A. We see condition A. Condition A says what? Condition A says what? Condition A says that if the candidate has MTech, so yes, this candidate has MTech, Anil has MTech, then we should refer this case to director. Yes or no? First, third, and fourth is satisfied. Second is not satisfied, but exceptional condition for second, which is condition A, is satisfied. So we'll refer the case to the director, and option B will be the answer. Very easy. Okay. Third question. Ravina has completed her post-graduation with 67% marks. So second condition satisfied. She secured 52% marks in written test. So written test, third condition not satisfied, only 52% marks. Okay. She has been working for 6 years after post-graduation. So fourth condition is satisfied. That after post-graduation, she has more than 6 months of experience. So she has 6 years of experience. And she was born in 1981. 1981 till 2016 will be 35 years. So definitely greater than 24. So first condition also satisfied. Now condition 3 is not satisfied. Is there any exceptional condition for condition 3? Yes. Let us look at condition B now. 3 ka exception is B. But if the candidate has work experience of more than 2 years, so this candidate has work experience of 6 years. So B condition is satisfied. Now 1, 2, and 4 is satisfied. 3 is not satisfied, but exception to 3B is satisfied. And when exception to 3B is satisfied, we refer the case to registrar. Okay, so the case should be referred to registered, which is option A. Okay, this is how you need to tackle these type of questions. It is not difficult to solve these type of questions. You just need to observe things properly. Don't assume anything and make sure that you have written down the conditions properly and are considering each and every condition again and again. है ना? Writing down all the conditions in short like this will help you in solving the question quite easily. Then you don't have to go through these conditions again and again. So this is the method to solve the questions of decision making. For more such videos, so we have started making a series of videos in which we are covering all the unique type of questions or new type of questions we come across or might have been asked in previous years CET. So we are trying to cover all these and then we are going to provide it to you. And we'll make sure that you don't get surprised in the exam because you see a new question. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि नया क्वेश्चन है बट वो सरप्राइज नहीं होना चाहिए. उसको टैकल करने की हम कैपेसिटी डेवलप करेंगे. ठीक है, चलो. फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस यू कैन कनेक्ट विद अस ऑन any one of these three social media platforms. You can ask your doubts here as well or visit our website tarkasastra.co.in and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.